Suspect going straight ahead. Still in Red County. Vehicle description, black bullet with neon violet. Okay.
Okay lang po.
So, masasakyan naman over.
Sila proceeding on Richmond. We are now here at Rodeo. Vehicle crashed. Vehicle crashed. Puta, na-lost visual ako ah. Kamali ako ng tunnel na napasukan ah.
Tumawa sa sasakyan. Okay.
We're now going to Flint County. Still proceeding.
Pablo. Walang sasakyan.
Dispatch lost visual.
Plan 4. Yeah, wanted natin yan.
Tayo na, nawala. Sa kabila pala siya dumaan, hayop. Basta vehicle description, bullet color black with neon violet. Hindi ko namukhaan yung, yung nasa driver seat. Dispatch.
Okay, plan 4 for that. Let's go back to our patrol.
Going off-road. Going in Red County. Straight ahead. Vehicle going 60.
Go. Rating ahead lang sa akin. Negative bagal to.
Sige. Primary ka. Bilis naman ang motor nun.
NRG yun eh.
Taking primary. Going to Richmond. Bilis ng NRG niya.
Mabilis talaga yun, boy.
Wow!
On my location, Santa Maria Beach. Straighting ahead. Straighting ahead lang. Santa Maria Beach. Going to Verona Beach. Marina. Tangin ang bagal lang mo to. Pinakamabilis eh. 8 puta. Straighting ahead. Kuha ang Conference Center. Going to tunnel ng LV. Ay, ng airport. Doon lang, straighting ahead lang pumunta sa airport. Straighting ahead, pumuntang airport, tunnel.
Bilis nun?
Putang, kasing motor to eh. Yeah, negative na, lost visual ako.
Ako din, lost na.
Dito lang yan, paikot-ikot lang yan, dito lang yan sa mga. Kilala ko yan. Blue.
Kasama yung visual, kasama yung visual. Alabas sa airport.
Drop me ko na over.
Dito sa amin.
Okay, going ahead. Exiting the airport. Proceeding Verdon Bluffs. Anong bilis na ito ah. Verdon Bluffs, now on Verona Beach. Straight ahead, Verona Beach. Marina, Santa Maria Beach, straight ahead. Dispatch, suspect going 97.
And 4, I'm at your back. Slash D, alin nga, tapos tingnan nyo yung vehicle, ano na. Ito yung vehicle.
Sir, tigil mo na yan. Going on Flint County, straight ahead. Suspect going on 75 to 80. Bigay nga kayo. Status is still going in Flint Country. I am still on a 10 active 1080. Okay, dispatch status still in Flint Country. Going in, suspect going on 100. Dispatch suspect going off-road. Whetstone, Route 89. Mas visual ako.
Bilis naman ang hype, man.
Ito. I still got visual sa taas. Ay, putang ina, di kaya ng sakyan. Last visual na. Bilis.
Sir Paul Robert, tinanod kayo dun, oh. Tumalon kayo dun, oh.
Delikado yan, sir, ha?
Parang nagkakarastant, eh.
Delikado yun, sir.
Tapos may hawak ka pang MP5, baba ka nga dyan.
Yung ibang officer doon sa ano, sa cruiser lang.
Lugago. Sir, Shaver, wag ka baba sa vehicle mo. Paano nyo, butasin nyo yung gulong pag ay bumaba.
Saber, tap mo muna yung ano mo. Siren.
Ay, step, paano ba to?
Tap mo lang. Sakay.
Bigay, butas gulong nun. Hindi makakakano yan, butas gulong yan.
Wow,
Oh.
andito na, malapit na ako sa Santa Maria Beach.
Telfo, ito nasa likod mo lang kami.
Butas ko lang ito, sir. Going a rodeo. Straight ahead.
Go, di
Suspect
makakanta.
going na 60. Beacon drop. Going a rodeo, still straight ahead. Nakatakbo pa rin siya, kahit butas.
Mahirap itakbo yan. Pagliko niyan, dudulas yan. Oh, ram nyo na! Simple type programming, Force Matrix level 4 na yan.
Raming. Here at Temple, going on Temple, proceeding on Big Bank, near ammunition.
So, ito na, sa akin na.
Radio check.
Yan.
Dispatch suspect is going on All Saints near Market.
M4, nakasulta na kami. Ang buli namin yun.
Nasira ako sa kotse ko.
Lasin.
Market. Sumakay. Sir, tigil mo. Dispatch, suspect is
We're here. Kaya palibutan nyo.
Taas kamay. Sakay.
Pwede ba, no? Drive by.
Okay, going
Ambil jalan,
primary.
pakisundod.
Going primary, this is 1 Adam 001, suspect going straight ahead near Big Ammunition. Pershing Square.
The primary.
Okay.
Straight ahead. Verona Beach. Santos International Airport. Straight ahead, mechanic shop. Dire-diretso lang, straight ahead. Sa Los Airport. Bilisan nyo dyan. Harang ako dito. Pipit ko to.
Ah!
Ay no. Patilo ka. Patilo ka.